So I've decided to add a screen. It's not my final video. Might took some programming. Just do it again, another 20p. So what I've got here is the Arduino Mega. I've got the Mega one because, well, for 11 quid I just thought I'd get the best. It's controlling the relay there through the cord, obviously, which powers up the hopper, which pays out the money, which is all coded in there to count the pulses from the hopper. Also counts as the pulses from the coin acceptor. Coding this thing was an absolute nightmare. I'm new to coding, so I've got various bits of code from other places and managed to work it out and recode it for my configuration, including a screen. I had a lot of problems with the printing on the screen by putting the print commands in the wrong place, which were throwing lots of errors up, and I was scratching my head for hours and hours, but I finally got there. And I've programmed this for pounds, 50s, 20s and 10s, so I shall now put 50p in. There we go, ready for the next coin. Like I said, that was just a short update video of what I've updated on it. It's working a treat. Probably keep adding bits to it. I've obviously got the musical chime on still, which I'm going to do a separate video for the MP3 card, and I'm also going to do little reviews of 2 coin acceptors that are available on eBay, so stay tuned.